Hi guys, welcome to Life and Timmy. Today I'm with my brother and today we're going to be opening this box, which my mom thinks is the fidget spinners. Hopefully they're not with plates because it's man heavy. And in the car from home from tutoring, I was like, how many fidget spinners did you get? And she was like this. How many fidget spinners did you get? So it might not even be fidget spinners. She didn't even answer. So as you can see, she's right there. So let's open this up.
That looks unsafe. Be careful.
Don't try this at home.
Yep.
Strong. This isn't even. That's a Fidget cube. Fidget cube. And there's no fidget spinner. Yes, there is.
All right, open up what you got.
What color is it?
It's like some kind of reddish tint. Oh my gosh. A fidget cube.
Okay.
So it's a fidget cube. So show me,
these.
what does it do?
You can like
There's
clip
lots
some
of
of them
different
down.
sides. And on this, it shows you what there is.
And look, there's a control.
Look, man, there's all these.
And there's these switch
Yeah,
rings.
that's a roll. That's a on and off.
Cool.
I'm ready for the fidget.
Okay.
All right, so Sunshine, you're going to show us the finished fidget spinner?
Fidget spinner.
What the is it? This?
It's white! It's glow in the dark. That's what it is.
Glow in the
Can I try?
dark. Cool.
Hold on.
I love it.
Are you guys allowed to take fidget spinners to school?
They're kind of banned.
I have two kids that.
They're kind of
Three
banned.
kids that have fidget spinners.
I heard they might be banned. Are they banned?
What does band mean?
Not allowed. So you're saying one of those buttons doesn't work?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Check the box.
It's supposed to work.
See if it's supposed to work. Maybe it's just an extra button.
No, it's actually supposed to not work.
It's supposed to spin.
So it shows all the things on here that it can do.
Mommy,
Click, spin, flip, glide, roll, and breathe.
Flick is
Glide? That's supposed to
See if you can find
glide?
click.
Oh my gosh.
click. Where's click?
Click looks like that, the first one. Okay. Spin.
Where's spin? Right here? No.
Maybe.
Right here.
I think
Doesn't
that's
work.
probably glide because you like can spin. Oh, does it spin around?
No, that's right there is in the way. So
Oh. Well, this might be broken, guys.
No, that's
I
actually
almost got it out.
There's like a broken piece in there. It doesn't want to work.
I just got it's rolling.
It's working now. Sunshine fixed it.
some of them are not supposed to work. That's a control.
Okay,
That's a
now
right thing.
flick,
Flip.
flip,
Glide. Roll.
roll is right here.
How does it
Breathe.
glide?
Awesome.
This can glide.
Show me what else is in that box.
Homework. What is this?
There's some
Homework.
more.
Oh, that's Daddy's. Or, well, that's for the RV. So when we drain the black water, we can know that it's clean.
It's poop water.
It's poop water. So there's only 2 books in there?
No, it's 3.
Oh, there's 3. Okay, show me those books. Mommy saw a review for these books, and so this is our summer work this year. And we got one for Big Man, one for Sunshine, and one for Eminem.
This one's Big Man.
Super excited to try them out.
Bye, guys.
Make sure you share this with your friends and comment.
Tell us what your favorite fidget toy is. We would like some fidget toys.
Fidget cube or a fidget spinner? Or
Yeah,
whatever is
that's
that we
right.
have it.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
That's the fidget spinner in the dark. You can see it's kind of green by itself. I'm so excited that my mom got me this fidget spinner. I love this. Happy thanks to my mom. Thank you, Mom. I love you. You're the best. Thank you for giving me and Big Man this